My name is Bobby Ryan. Bobby Ryan. Bobby Ryan. Welcome to the Care Christian Television Shopping Network. My name is Bobby Ryan. We are so excited that you chose to tune in here today as we're still getting ready for Christmas.
That ring won't last. So let's talk about this necklace.
Okay.
I had this necklace on during a Serious Skincare show. 2 weeks ago.
It sounds really beautiful. It does. It sounds really beautiful.
Say hi to Abby for me. She's sitting here with me.
Hi, Abby.
She's my baby dog.
No. See, Diane, you might have just done it. You might have pushed me off the edge. Well, you know what's happening? I feel like I'm losing my mind.
She's a monster.
Diane, thank you so much.
How do you feel? Like, how does this make you feel that when you look in the mirror and you see this hair, like, how do you feel?
I want to do my happy dance.
I want to do my happy dance. That's one treatment she did. Yeah! That's the happy dance. All right. That's the happy dance. Okay, girl. If you're not doing the happy dance, I want to do my happy dance.